our channel.
I'm Matt.
And I'm Danielle, and we are Couples Quest.
Today we're going to be taking you on a day in the life of living in a van.
Woo!
It's Vanlife Australia edition.
Hashtag glam life.
We woke up in a truck stop this morning.
Definitely glam life.
We'll show you a little bit more of that in a minute. But yeah, stick around with us today as we take you to Jervis Bay in New South Wales. And we'll show you the best spots, what food we make,
how to find free camps,
how we pass the time in the van, all of that sort of stuff. But first things first,
coffee. Play in the car to try and pass the time. It's a game we found on TikTok, and I don't really know what the name is, but you might have heard of it. So on the count of 3 we both have to say a word, and then after we both said the first word we then have to try and say a word relating to those 2 words we've said until we say the same word. So yeah, you'll find out, you'll see. 3, 2, 1, sky. Wave. 3, 2, 1, blue.
Aeroplane. Wave from the sky.
I know. Wave from the sky. Mine and Matt's brains work very differently. 3, 2, 1.
Helicopter.
Cloud. Helicopter cloud.
Yeah.
3, 2.
No, I ain't got one yet.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Dust.
Pillow.
What did you say?
Pillow.
Pillow.
Just because cloud. That's what I can think of.
A pillow and a helicopter.
I couldn't work helicopter in.
So you went for pillow?
Yeah.
I said dust because it's kind of like a helicopter cloud because it, you know, when it's a
okay.
and then it
creates
3, 2, 1,
fluff.
Oh yeah! You said fluff. That is how you play the game, guys. We got there eventually. We both said fluff, and we usually get really excited when we say the same word because, as you've noticed, Matt's brain works very differently to mine, but it's always good fun.
So we finally pulled over. It's been a long couple of days of driving. We've probably done about 1,000 kilometres in 2 days. But we're here now, we're at Jervis Bay, we're at Hyams Beach, and yeah, we're excited to be stationed here for a little while and show you a little bit more of the static van life side as well. So Danielle's just cooking up lunch.
So I am making Marmite and cheese crumpets. Fun fact, we are from the UK, if you didn't already guess. But in Australia, Aussies love Vegemite, and in the UK it's more Marmite, but you know, depends which way you're inclined. We absolutely love it, and yeah, staple lunch dish for us in the van.
A glamorous lunch, I know, but it tastes awesome.
Very romantic. at Blenheim Beach. How beautiful is this? I think we're going to spend the rest of the day here. Don't know if it gets much better than this beach, and we're going to hopefully watch the sunset later on. Hasn't been amazing this afternoon, so we've still been chilling at the beach, but haven't really got much footage because it looks like it's gonna rain every 5 seconds.
It's been in and out.
In and out.
There've been patches of blue, but we've just been chilling, listening to some music.
It's been nice.
Yeah, just having a good bit of downtime after a long few days.
Busy few weeks actually.
But we're getting hungry now. It's time to make burgers.
And we're going to figure out where we're going to sleep tonight.
Yes.
A really great app we use to find free camps, paid camps and everything in between is Wikicamps. It's definitely one of the apps you need when travelling around Australia. As you can see, there's so many around the country. We usually use the filters to segment where we'd like to camp. You can check out campgrounds and caravan parks. Some are free and some are paid. You can apply the filters below. We usually look for free camps, but you can look for cost camps here on as well. I'm going to zoom in and take a look at this one, check out the reviews, see what it's like. The reviews aren't that great for this one, so we probably won't end up staying here tonight. You can also check the fees to double check that it's free. This is one I've already favorited. I'm going to check the reviews again. Yep, this one looks really good. And also double check the fees just to make sure that this one's free as well.
So it was too dark to show you too much after we'd finished cooking the other day. It's been a couple of days now. We've left Jervis Bay and we're on our way to Sydney, and we've stopped at this beautiful campsite.
We had to show you the view because van life isn't always glamorous and beautiful campsites, but on this occasion it really is beautiful.
Yeah, it's incredible. And now we're going to show you a typical evening in the van, how we get ready for bed and just sort of setting up the van for the evening.
Yeah. In the evenings we like to get comfy and cozy, hang up the iPad and put a bit of Netflix on. So usually these would have way more stuff in them, but tonight is actually our last night in the van. So we've basically packed everything, which is super sad. It's come to an end, but we'll show you how we usually get chilled and ready for bed. So we usually set up our pillows, get cozy, put on some Netflix, maybe watch a movie. But tonight, because the view is extra special, we don't need a film because we've got the best view.
We wanted to keep this vlog fairly short and sweet, so we'll be answering some of your frequently asked questions on next week's video. Stay tuned and see you then!